What the dog doing?
Hi everyone, so today I'm going on a hike with my friends to Lungchutse, which is near Bujla, and this is my fate. And my friends are waiting for me at the junction, and my brother is going to drop us off at the base. And I've heard it's about 2.5 hour hike, so let's go. Before the hike. Ini betul ya.
Tangachi bewajin. Lungchutse lamina juidangela. This is outfit check. Outfit check.
This is so dollar. Wow, let me check. Hi, this is us doing the hike. Wow, it is very cold. Yes, we are shivering. In danger, in danger,
Thank you.
Next time.
Ya Jeffrey give you the lam.
So this is crazy.
During the hike. Jeffrey kita.
Umbrella.
This is your
Lungchutse temple is a temple of Lolipop and power. Hence, smoking or chewing or tobacco is against the faith. Chewing gum. Said by Mr. We can thank you for not thank you. You are so adorable.
Thank you for calling me adorable.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So guys, machigi mushroom
On the way.
on the way to Lungchutse. Satupga mitupga, please comment guys. Comment down.
Amay chidu.
Ano yung doon na guys? Yes. Come
Ya kita.
Can you become a guys? Please support us.
Yala. Love me, head love me.
That's false of me, guys. This is the real.
Finally, head me, guys. Gosh.
Nimya Shade.
Wow.
We are glad that we are able to reach
Yamuna ki unfulfilled wish dinner fulfilled today, guys. Hike the journey.
How was your first hike, Yamuna? Miss Yamuna?
It was very tough in the beginning. But it is worth it.
Wow.
I'm happy. I'm very happy. Huh? Thank you guys, because of you all. Our first hike became successful. Thank you.
Hi guys, we are finally here. Finally making out of the group chat. It's 2,500 kilometers above the sea level. Finally, we're about to wear our kira. Let's go. Let's come with me. He's about to die.
Yeah. Tungil gera so.
Bye. Bye.
Cold, guys.
We are going back now.
Bye bye.
Bye, Lungchutse.
Lunch at 3:34, guys. Tome.
Kabe chigi
Anna.
Finally, guys. We are back.
Wait.
Now we're heading back to home. End of our day. Yes. Thank you for watching this vlog, guys. Bye.
Hi, this is me before the hike.
Hi, this is me before the hike. Hi, this is me before the hike. Hi, this is me before the hike.
Hi guys, this is me during the hike.
Hi guys, this is me during the hike. Hi, this is me during the hike.
Hi guys, this is me during the hike. Hi guys, this is me after the hike. And here's the result.
Hi guys, this is me after the hike and we are at our worst condition. Hi, this is Ugensumo after the hike. This is my shoe condition.
Hi guys, this is me after the hike.
We are waiting for a lift.